Sir, this SOS is causing a lot of pain. It hurts a lot. This will help relieve the pain right now. It will also help reduce the cramping that's happening. So today's topic is, sir, which asanas should be done during periods? Which yoga should be done during periods? So if we talk in terms of yoga overall, the yoga we do, whether it's asanas, pranayam, exercise or meditation, the main goal of all these is that by doing them, the energy level in our body gets elevated. If we talk about the 5 types of Vayu, the 5 kinds of vital airs that control different functions in our body, one of them is pranavayu. By practicing yoga and pranayam, the flow of pranavayu in the body increases, which uplifts our mood and energy. It moves upward from the lower part of the body, right? But during periods, what's really important is that our apnavayu, the air that carries the body's negative energies downward, grounds us and helps expel them from the body, should be strong. So obviously, most asanas, commonly practiced pranayams, and most exercises should not be done during periods. If you experience cramping during your period, if you have pain during your period, or if your cycle is not well defined, which is actually very important. In fact, your cycle should be well defined. No matter whether you are preparing for pregnancy or not, you might not even be married, you might be studying in college, but having a defined period cycle shows how healthy you are. It reflects how healthy your endometrial lining is, how well your hormonal balance is maintained, and how much your stress level is under control. For feminine health, for a woman, for a mother, for a sister, having a defined period cycle is very important. So if that cycle isn't defined, or if it's a very painful cycle, you can't fix it just by doing something during your period. Even trying to do so is pointless. You need to prepare for it before your period. So I have already made a lot of videos. Yoga for healthy periods, yoga for happy periods. You should definitely check out those videos, which you need to do on normal days before your period starts. But if the pain is too much, then what can be done during your period to reduce this pain? So we won't consider these asanas or complete yoga. I'll show you some such postures. I'll show you some positions that will help relieve your pain. They will help reduce the cramping you are experiencing. Right? Let's learn them. You only need to do a very limited set of things. There's no need to do too many things. Now, if the cramping is severe, the first thing you should do is Baddha Konasana, the butterfly pose. Sit with both legs stretched out like this. And let me repeat, this is not some shortcut hack. There's no shortcut where I tell you a small trick and your pain will just go away. It's a matter of regular practice. If your periods aren't regular, you need to practice yoga regularly throughout the month. If you do regular yoga practice every month, after 1, 2 or 3 months, you'll see that almost 80% of your problems will be gone. If you do yoga regularly for 6 months, the problem will be completely gone. But now comes the SOS situation. Sir, I'm in a lot of pain. It hurts a lot. We'll do yoga for 5 or 6 months. But how do we manage that time? How do we manage the pain? For that, Baddha Konasana is very important. But you have to keep your spine straight while doing it. Yes, it's not like you won't feel any pain while doing it. You will definitely feel a slight pain, the kind that comes from inflammation. So you have to do this very mildly, very gently. If there are ladies who experience back pain or severe lower back pain during their periods, then you can sit with back support or place a small cushion under your hips. Take a cushion like this, place it under your tailbone, and sit on it so that the natural S-shaped curve of your spine is maintained. This will also help relieve your back pain a bit. Do this gently for 2 to 3 minutes. After this, what will you do for the next posture? Cat-cow pose is very important. It also helps maintain the flow, and the lining inside the endometrium gradually comes out. That's why there is blood flow. So at that time, cat-cow pose will really help you. To get relief from those cramps, let me tell you the proper technique for this. How will you measure it? You have to sit back fully on your heels like this and touch both elbows to the ground from underneath. You need to see where your middle fingers land. From that particular spot, move one more palm's distance forward, then you lift yourself up like this. There should be hip distance between both your knees. The same distance should be maintained between both heels, so your feet will be slightly apart, and there should be shoulder width distance between both hands. From here, start taking slow, deep breaths. Gradually relax your lower back. You can see the lower back. I am turning my tailbone upwards and pressing this portion of the lower back down. Look up, very nice, and then as you exhale, slowly tuck your tailbone inward. Squeeze your core and your stomach a little. You should do this for 10 rounds, complete 10 rounds of this. Inhale up. Slowly exhale down, completely emptying your lungs. Then, gently inhale, draw in a full and calming breath. Now, the stress you apply here, you will feel it directly in your uterus. You will feel it exactly in your uterus. You will feel it near your ovaries as well. You will notice a slight sensation there, but it's very good, very, very good. And for those who have back pain, it will be completely relieved. This is a very comfortable posture for that as well. Inhale, it will also help maintain the blood flow in a routine and defined manner. For example, some people have light flow on the first day, and then it increases a lot on the second day. For some, the first 3 days are on and off. Heavy flow, then spotting, heavy flow again, then spotting. So all of that is a problem. These stretches will help you a lot. Alright, you need to do this 10 times. From there, you will come straight up. In Balasana, join both legs together like this and sit right on your heels here. Instead of doing normal Balasana, you can do it in a restricted way. Take a pillow and place it under your stomach, exactly under your belly like this. You need to place this pillow and slowly move forward so that there's a gentle pressure on your lower belly. It should feel like someone is giving you a massage, just a gentle pressure, and make sure not to hunch. Look forward, maintaining the straightness in your spine. You will get a full stretch. Keep your spine absolutely straight and stretched like this. Keep your spine stretched up. The back pain that you feel deep inside your lower back, it will get better during your periods. You will feel relief. It's very effective for pain management. To manage cramps, learn to control your breathing. Very slowly. Slow breathing. Absolutely slow breathing. You will practice along with this. You will practice while staying in this posture. 1 to breathing here means that you will slowly and deeply inhale over a precise count of 4 seconds and then slowly and completely exhale over a precise count of 8 seconds. Inhale slowly in 4 counts. Inhale very slowly in 8 counts. So you will stay in this for 3 minutes. And I will show you a very good, very effective posture at the end, what exactly you need to do. Sitting in Baddha Konasana, in the butterfly pose, you will just need 2 or 3 pillows, depending upon the thickness of the pillows you have at home. So here I have 2 cushions. I am managing with cushions. Alright, I am at my studio, or right now I am on my holidays. And let me tell you, I am literally at my in-laws' place. This is where I am shooting everything. Alright, so here you will slowly lean back. See, I told you to place the pillow behind your lower back and a bit along the length. Okay, so when I lean back, it will support me up to my head and neck. So very gently, place both legs in a butterfly position and lean back like this all the way so that your back, your entire spine forms a kind of reverse arch. My spine has made an arch, and you will just stay like this, completely relaxed. Here, you will feel a really good stretch right near your uterus. So the cramps you had here, this will really help with those cramps. You won't get cramps. Alright, and in fact, if you want, you can even move your legs a bit. Gently place both thighs up and practice deep breathing. Just think, the femininity within you is something to be celebrated. So this period cycle, this monthly thing, the problem you have to face. Basically, nature has designed it for you, so learn to accept it. Alright, we will accept it. Don't think of it as some huge challenge for you. Obviously, it's a challenging thing, I know it's a challenging thing. But this is exactly what your motherhood is. This happens so that your fertility is maintained. Nature has planned it that way. So accept this thing. With every breath, calmly celebrate your femininity. The better this is, the more your stress will be relieved. The better this is, the more your youth will be maintained. Just think about it, you try so many different therapies to look beautiful. You get surgeries done, you apply creams and masks. To filter you from within, to remove toxins from your body, nature has created a system. So, the better this system works, the longer it stays active in your body, the longer your periods remain active, you won't have to deal with things like PMS or what is called postmenopausal syndrome. So it's good for you, pain management is very important. This is your final posture. Is there anything else you want to know? If you have any fertility related problems or any issues in your body that you want to fix with yoga, you are always welcome. I'll just be waiting for a comment from you. As soon as you comment, you'll get a video on that topic as soon as possible. Myself, Yoga Guru Amlan, a retired Indian Air Force coach and currently one of India's most successful fertility yoga therapists. Thanks for coming to the channel. Please share the video with your sisters, subscribe and like. We'll meet again soon with a presentation.